Equality or comparison of two matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are of same order and all the corresponding elements are equal. It is written as A equal to B. That is, comparison can be made on the basis of equality, not less than or greater than. Means we cannot say two matrices A and B, A is less than B and A is greater than B is not possible. See here one example. If x, y, p, q, x, y, z, p is equals to 1, 3, 2, p, then we have x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 2 and p equal to p. Means for any value of p, we can say these two matrices are equal. If I taking another example, x, y, z 7 is equal to 1, 3, 2, 3. Here two matrices both are same order 2 by 2. If I compare it, x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 2, but 7 is not equal to 3. So in this case, we cannot say the two matrices are equal. Means 7 and 3 not equal, so they are not equal. Now scalar multiplication of a matrix. What means scalar multiplication? Means suppose A is a matrix, A equal to Aij m by n is a matrix and alpha be any scalar, then alpha A is equals to alpha Aij m by n. Means we have to multiply alpha in all element of matrix A. If I take one example, A equal to 1, 3, 7, 3, 7, 9. Find matrices, those will represent minus A. Minus A means if we consider minus A, then you have to multiply all elements of matrix with minus 1. Means in 1, here 1, so 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 7 into minus 1 is minus 7, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 7 into minus 1 is minus 7, 9 into minus 1 is minus 9, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, 0 into minus 1 is 0, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Similarly, for this matrix, we can say 2A. 2A means 2, 6, 14. Here elements in A, we have 1, 3, 7, 3, 7, 9, 5, 0, 3. So 2A equal to 1 into 2, 2, 6, 14, 6, 14, 18, 10, 0, 6. This is your scalar multiplication. Start. Multiplication of matrices. If A and B are two matrices and the order of the matrix A is equal to Aij m by n, means matrix order of matrix is m by n, B is another matrix whose order is n by p, then A into B is defined. Here A is called pre-multiplier and B is called post-multiplier. And see here, in case of AB, here number of rows n and here number of columns n and here number of rows n are equal. So A into B is defined. And what is A into B? A into B is equals to j equal to 1 to n Aij Bjk. Means you have to move in row of the first matrix and column of the second matrix. Take here example here. A equal to A11, A12, 1, 3. Here it is a 2 by 3 matrix and B is a 3 by 2 matrix. So A into B means here 2 by 3 means its column number is 3 and its row number is 3. So here we can multiply A into B. Now A into B, here A into B as number of columns of A and number of rows of B are same. What can you say about B? If you consider B into A, in case of B, we have two number of columns. In case of A, we have two number of rows. So B into A also defined. But A into B and B into A will have different order. Now for the next page. Now we will find the product. In previous page we have taken now AB is equals to A11, A12, A13. Here we can multiply A11 with B11, first row, first column. A11 into B11, A12 into B21, A13 into B31. This is first row, first column. Again for first row and second column, we have A11 into B12, A12 into B22, A13 into B32. Means it is first row and second column. Again second row first column. Here second row first column. A21 into B11, A22 into B21, A23 into B31, A21 into B11, A22 into B21, A23 into B31. Again second row second column. Second row A21 into B12, A22 into B22, A23 into B32. This is A into B. Similarly for B into A we have here B matrix is B11, B12. This is B matrix. This is A matrix. Now multiplication in case of BA, in first row we have B11, B12. So first row first column will be B11 into A11, B12 into A21. This is first row first column. Again here B11 to A12, B12 to A22. This is first row and second column. Again first row third column will be B11 to A213, B12 to A23. Similarly second row first column. Second row a B21 into A11, B22 into A21. Similarly second row and second column B21 into A12 plus B22 into A22. Second row and third column B21 into A13, B22 into A23. Similarly we can do third row and first column, third row, second column, third row, first, third row, third column. Now I am taking one example. Suppose B is equals to 105, 216, 6723, 10, 4, 6015. Now you have to multiply A into B. So A into B means will be 1 into 10 plus 0 into 6 plus 5 into 1. Again first row second column 1 into 4, 0 into 0, 5 into 5. Again for second row first column, second row 2 into 10, 1 into 6 plus 1 into 6 plus 6 into 1. Second row second column 2 into 4, 1 into 0, 6 into 5. Second row first column third row first column 7 into 10, 2 into 6, 3 into 1. 7 into 4, 7 into plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 5. This will be third row second column. Here matrix multiplication you can do in this way: 1 into 10, 1 into 10, these things 1 into 10, 0 into 6, 1 into 10, 0 into 6, 5 into 1. These three will be added. 1 into 4 first row second column, 1 into 4, 0 into 0, 5 into 5. In this way you can cut up the two matrices. Stop. Transpose of a matrix. Transpose is nothing. It is just interchange of rows and columns. Suppose A equal to Aij n by n is a matrix. Then transpose of A denoted as A transpose defined by a matrix which is obtained by interchanging rows and columns. If A equal to Aij n by n, then A transpose equal to Aj I n by n. Here number of row m and it will be number of columns m. If I take example A equal to 15, 29, 32, 38, 85, 43, then A transpose will be 15, 29. 15, 29 in case of A it is in row number 1 and it will be in column number 1 for A transpose. Second row is 32 for 38 and it is column in transpose we have column is 32, 38. In matrix there 85, 43 is in third row, but in case of transpose it will be 85, 43 in column number 3. If I take example 1, 4, 5, 2, 6, 11, 3, 11, 12 A, then A transpose will be 1, 4, 5 in row number 1, so in transpose it will be column number 1, 1, 4, 5. 2, 6 minus 1 in row number 2, so in column number 2 transpose it 2, 6 minus 1. Again 3, 11, 12 in row number 3 and 3, 11, 12 in column number 3. Transpose of a square matrix is also square matrix. Any square matrix, if we make a transpose, then it will be order same. Transpose of a rectangular matrix is also rectangular.